say hello to the Long Beach Design Cork flooring, a game changer in the world of flooring. With its stunning traditional hardwood grain, this flooring is sure to bring the grace and beauty of nature right into your home. But that's not all. This flooring is made of cork, which means it has all the benefits that only cork can offer. The Long Beach Design Cork floating floor is the big brother to their other popular cork flooring lines. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to install as a DIY project. But let's talk about what sets this product apart. Design Cork floating floors, which are manufactured in Switzerland, are an ideal flooring option for high-traffic areas in busy house and holds commercial spaces like hotels and libraries. This super durable Long Beach Design Cork flooring is built to last and can easily withstand the pressure of high-traffic areas. You won't have to worry about wear and tear or replacement costs for years to come. The light fastness rating of these floors is 7/8 on a scale of 1 to 8, which means they do not fade easily even if they receive a lot of sunlight. This rating is excellent. Design Cork floating floors are a good choice, and if you want a floor that can withstand sun exposure without losing its color. Additionally, cork floors have temperature insulating properties that keep the flooring surface warm during the cold season. This is especially beneficial if you prefer walking around barefoot, as you won't need to raise the thermostat to stay warm. In contrast, hardwood or stone floors can feel uncomfortably cold in the winter months. Cork has emerged as a strong contender in the building and decorating industry for sustainable and eco-friendly materials. Unlike other wood-based textiles, cork does not require the destruction of the mother product to create finished pieces. The cork oak tree is the source of all cork products, and only the outer bark is removed, leaving the tree to naturally shed its bark and regenerate. Cork is a great choice for healthy flooring as it is hypoallergenic and does not contain harsh chemicals. It also helps to reduce dirt, germs, and fungus in the home. Due to its compressibility and natural anti-slip property, cork flooring is an ideal solution for seniors and their living areas, providing ease of walking and standing and reducing strain on the legs and back. Caregivers, including nurses and other health professionals, often turn to cork as a solution. Cork is a natural insulator that can prevent sound and heat transfer, making it an ideal material for creating a warmer and quieter environment. Currently available in our 11mm or 7/16" thick floating floor, 3mm top layer plus 1.2mm integrated underlay combined with a 6.8mm E1 grade moisture-resistant HDF center. We have incorporated the patented Uniclick flooring system, a tongue and groove application, for a fast and easy install. Thus, our Long Beach cork planks will join together with little fuss. Each plank comes in 48 5/8 by 7 and 7/8" by 7/16 sizing, and package 6 planks per carton. Each box then will cover up to 15.95 square feet. Moreover, it is fire retardant. Long Beach Design Cork floating floors, which are made in Switzerland, are becoming the new industry standard for stylish and durable flooring. Long Beach Design Cork floating floor is perfect for resisting wear and tear, dirt, and allergens, while still maintaining its elegance and beauty. Visit our website today to see it for yourself and get a sample to feel its texture. You won't be disappointed.